Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best yoga mats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TOPLUS Yoga Mat. This is the type of yoga mat I'd recommend to beginners due to its budget. I'm happy with the TPE material used by Topless to make the mat. It's always an environmentally friendly material, with a non-skid surface to prevent sliding off during an exercise. Do you need some comfort? Topless is here to offer you the comfort with a thickness of 6 mm. I also chose this mat for its 2 usable surfaces. I mean, you can turn to the other side of the mat if the side you are using isn't any more comfortable or clean. To avoid falling off, Topless has a non-slip texture on both its surfaces. I can't also forget that the mat is light so that you can move about with it to yoga classes or anywhere else. An added advantage is that it comes with a carrying strap to make your work even easier. Below are additional features of it. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Incline Fit Yoga Mat. The Incline Fit is mostly made to assist with Ananda, a product of deep meditation. Ideally, meditation can't be achieved without comfort and firmness. So, Incline Fit is here to help you get both. However, it can also be used for other activities due to its softness as well as generosity in size. It also lasts long. The thickness can withstand prolonged use over time without wearing out easily. I'm sure that you'll also require something easy to maintain, in terms of cleaning. The Incline Fit Yoga Mat only requires that you have a bar of soap and water to clean. The process is almost effortless. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Yoga Mat. This is yet another very cost-effective yoga mat on my list. The gift from Amazon Basics is suitable for use for yoga, meditation, Pilates, and so on. It suits everyone from beginners to advanced level yogis. A textured surface explains the traction it will offer for your safety and comfort during your workouts. You can also decide to define this mat by its generosity in terms of the space offered for workouts. Also, at only 2.2 pounds, the mat is submissive to portability, so you can carry it to your preferred location. I love going through the customer reviews to see how they praise this yoga mat, always. Take a look at its stunning features below. At number 2, we have the Crown Sporting Goods Thick Yoga Mat. Take your workout to a whole new level with help from Crown Sporting Goods. This is so far the thickest yoga mat I've included in this list. It protects your joints from fatigue and injury more than ever. Also, for this purpose, you can lie on it for a nap, which is also one of a way of keeping yourself healthy. If you do hot yoga, you can also opt for this mat from Crown Sporting Goods. It absorbs sweat to leave its surface soft and non-skid. The ridges on the surface help increase friction, too. The shock-absorbent mat also costs just a few bucks. So make sure that you grab one of your own from Amazon using the above link. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gaiam Yoga Mat. From one of the most experienced and trusted brands, Gaiam, this is my third best yoga mat on the list. Gaiam is made to be lightweight yet thick to give comfort and durability. The surface won't allow slipping due to its stickiness. It's perfect for beginners and awesome for expert yogis. Still, on promoting your health and the wellness of your environment, Gaiam is made out of non-toxic materials. I like the stylish design. This mat also has another unique feature. The company has developed an application, the Gaiam Yoga Studio class. It is an application that's available both on Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Microsoft App Store as well as Amazon App Store. Within it, there are video classes with an easy-to-follow guide from an expert yoga tutor. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.